Hi there, I'm Paul Mitchell, leadership coach, author and founder of The Human Enterprise. And today I'd like to talk to you about the power of expectations and a particular aspect of expectations, and that is the annual performance review. Now, will we continue to have annual performance reviews? Yes, we probably will. And my prediction is they will be a relic, a thing of the past in maybe 5 to 10 years' time. Why do I say that? First of all, the concept of an annual review is just crazy. Even a mid-year review is just crazy. We want real-time feedback these days. We should be getting feedback daily, and we should be getting feedback for our own resources rather than having to wait for managers to give us feedback. The concept of annual feedback is just crazy. Secondly, it's a performance review rather than a process review. What do I mean by that? Now, not every 360 is simply performance outcome based, but most are. They have a look at, did you achieve this goal? Did you achieve that goal? Any elite performer will tell you, set the goal, then focus on the process. An actor sets the scene, then focuses on the process. An elite athlete knows they're going to go for gold, then focuses on the process. And the problem with a lot of performance reviews is they're just ticking boxes about whether you achieve this or achieve that. They don't focus on the process, and that's where the breakthroughs are. The next aspect, of course, or word is, annual performance review. Have a look at those two words. Re means to go backwards, to rewind, to refund, give back, and view mean to look at. So it's a review. In other words, it's going backwards. Backwards is backwards. That's gone. It's dead. Sure, we can learn from it, but we need to go forwards. We need to have a look at what we're going to be doing in the future. So an annual and performance and review, to me, is a relic of the past. What will replace it? I believe what will replace it is immediate feedback. And even now you're seeing in the marketplace apps that give you feedback from all sorts of sources, your directs, your managers, your peers. And what we will have is we'll have engagement discussions rather than annual performance reviews. And what will they be about? They'll be about two things. What can we do right now that's going to increase the contribution you make to the organization, and at the same time increase the amount of joy and meaning and satisfaction you get in your job? That's what we need to be doing. We need to say, you are important, and we're going to have an engagement discussion with you rather than an annual performance review. So once you have an engagement discussion, next is constantly clarify expectations rather than waiting for a review. I know people go, well, I'll talk to them about that in the review. That's crazy. Manage expectations, not people. Get the expectations so clear that people know what to go on with, irrespective of whether they have a boss or not. Give daily feedback. Again, think about going forwards rather than backwards. And finally, I guess, focus as much on the relationship about how you're working together rather than their performance if you're a manager, or your performance if you are the person that's having the annual performance review done to you. Again, are we going to get rid of annual performance reviews? No, we're not. They do provide a certain tool, they do provide a certain service in organisations, but I'd love you to start to put into place some of the things we know that eventually will mean they will be a relic of the past. I'm Paul Mitchell. Find the passion, develop the skills, make the numbers, and make a difference. Hey, thanks for watching this video on the power of small tweaks or small leadership tweaks. We'd love your feedback, so keep it coming via email and social media. And if you believe in the power of small tweaks, I guarantee you also believe in the power of learning. So please, if you want to continue your learning, grab a copy of my latest book, Your Leadership Diamond, How to Transform the Way You Live Your Life, Lead Your People, and Leave a Legacy. Right now, at the time of releasing this video, we've got some great bonuses available for you. Simply go to yourleadershipdiamond.com and you'll see all the details there. Keep polishing.